Okay. Hey guys, it's Father's Day, but it's early in the morning. But I did a really crap fidget cube thing because I got one yesterday, and it didn't take long because you can get them from Kids Stuff in Togra. And it was night time when I presented it. So yeah, I got myself a fidget cube, and it had lots of things to do there. Yeah. If any of you don't have a fidget cube, or comment down below where to get one, and I can tell you. And make sure to subscribe and leave a like. But it isn't the end of the video now, because I have more fidget gadgets. But mostly, yes, you've guessed it. If you have said fidget cubes or spinners, here are some fidget spinners. Over there. But sadly, sorry for the fidget spinners, I like the fidget cube more. It has a whole bunch of stuff to do on it, so if you're bored, you can just play around with it. And the ball clicks in also. And this is the joystick. And then here's the spinning thing with some stone thing you can rub. Soft stone you can rub, and it feels soft and stuff. So that is a fidget cube. Now, don't go to the reject shop and buy one of these, because those ones are crappy. Because I think someone said that you can get it from the reject shop, but they'd be pretty crap because there's not much at the reject shop. So there would be a fake fidget cube, and you can tell if it's fake because only 3 of these is supposed to click, and if these ones click too, fake. And the ball is supposed to press down. And this, it's harder to click, so that's a couple ways. And if you want to spin this, it only stops halfway through. Go around again, stops at the same point. The only thing that's right with the fake fidget cube is I'm pretty sure that they still have this, so there's nothing wrong with this unless they chipped it or something. So I'm not going to put any music on because you might need to hear me or something, so you can take my advice. But no one's even subscribed or watched our videos. So that's why I'm changing the channel name to something uncommon, so you could just look it up. And already one of the latest one that I did is already recommended. So yeah, the reason we don't do like anything like watch other videos because my computer's not working and I don't have all the equipment. So as you can see, if you see inside of this, there's some little metal things in there. But under this is some metal thing, and when you click down it dents and it makes a noise. It's like the Rubik's Cube, just you have to fidget with it. There's some colours on it and a combination. So I'd recommend you getting this other than a Rubik's Cube. Okay, so comment down below if you want one, and I'll leave a description where to get one and how much. So I hope you enjoyed the video of a fidget cube. But for now, goodbye.